Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect 3Commas to TradingView in 2026. For that, first of all, come here on tradingview.com. Afterwards, you just have to launch any of the charts in front of you. So when you are here on this particular page, simply click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Over here, it is going to show you the list of all of the trusted brokers which you can basically connect with TradingView directly. So from this particular list, you need to look for the 3Commas. So here you can also use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you can search for 3Commas. Now, as you can see, after typing 3Commas here in the search bar, there is nothing showing over here. It simply means that you can't actually connect 3Commas account with your TradingView account as of right now. So in this particular situation, I would recommend you to open a new tab. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for 3commas.io. Once you are here on the website, click on the option of sign in on the top right hand corner. Now you need to provide your 3Commas login credentials. Then you need to simply log in into your 3Commas account. So once this step is done, you just have to come back here on tradingview.com. Afterwards, from the watch list, you can open any of the charts in front of you. Basically the chart which you want to analyze. Then you can just simply use your technical skills. You can use these tools that are available here in the left hand section in order to support your analysis. After that, based on the analysis that you have made, if you want to punch the order, you can first of all put this long short tool just like so. After that, you can come here on your 3commas.io account. Then inside it, you can simply place the order. So this way you can use 3Commas and TradingView together. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.